Okay, so now we're going to switch to using just one knee and leaning on a knee, and this is more typical of guys than girls. There are different compositional concepts that we can use in our posing, and one is the triangle. Subliminals are important to photography, and triangles are especially helpful for guys because it suggests a strong base. So this pose is easy to make work. You just have them lean on that knee away from the camera or sideways to the camera, and you get a strong look. This one can work too, it's just not quite as easy, and I'll show you why in the next image. So if you have them lean on the near knee, leaning toward the camera, you have to be careful that you crop it properly, because if you don't, you've got that big space below his thigh there that just looks more precarious and weak. I had him turn a little bit away from the camera and lean on the near knee, but that turn along with cropping made this work better. Sometimes the posing devices will dictate the pose. Here I couldn't have him lean on his left knee because it was too low. So in this case we had to have him lean on the right knee. And it helps for posing. When you have a knee up, you can have him lean on one arm like this, or come in just a little tighter and cross the arms on that same knee. And this works well for a yearbook photograph. Kneeling on one knee and leaning on the other is a useful pose for family portraits because we usually want to have heads at different heights, and that pose allows us to have like a middle height somewhere between sitting on the ground and standing. So the question becomes which knee to kneel and lean on. In this case, I don't like his butt showing, so one way to fix that is to have the person face the camera straight on. But I think a better answer is to have the person lean on the other knee so that they are leaning toward the group.